Hi, I'm Terry from Mr. Locksmith. Today we're going to cut a key, a Schlage key for a Schlage mortise cylinder, and I'm using an original Schlage blank with an original Schlage mortise cylinder. And I'm going to show what happens when you cut a copy of a copy of a copy. A lot of times you'll have a customer come in, you try to cut the key, it doesn't work no matter what you do. That's what happens, and it's usually a duplicate key. And I'll show you what happens. We have a good key machine here, so I'll just show you on the machine. So here's a good key machine. It's a Borkey. So I'm going to cut keys, and we'll keep on cutting them until they no longer work. There's our first key. It works perfect. So now what I'll do, I'll put the Schlage over here. I'll cut the copy now. So this is our first copy, or second, however you want to count it. So this is our copy of a copy, and it works good. Now I'll take that, and we'll cut this one. This is our third copy now, and it works. I'll cut another copy now. This is our fourth copy. Perfect. Our fifth copy of a copy. Perfect. This is our sixth copy of a copy. And it's starting to stick a little bit. And our seventh copy of a copy. And now it's hardly turning at all. So this is copy number 7. Now copy 7 onto 8. Here's the 8th copy of a copy. Doesn't work. Even if I clear it off. So we got copy of a copy of a copy. We went up to number 8. It didn't work. 7 was really tight. 8 didn't work at all. And this is why you run across keys sometimes where you can't get a key to cut properly, because you're cutting a copy of a copy of a copy. Try to get the original key, then you can cut hundreds of keys off the original, thousands of keys off the original key. But if you have a copy of a copy of a copy, we made it to number 8 on this key machine. This is a really good key machine though. The average key machine wouldn't last 4 or 5 copies of a copy, but this one 8. If I put a new wheel on it, I could probably go as high as 10. But sooner or later, I'm going to have a key that doesn't work. And again, 8 copy of a copy of a copy. The number 8 key didn't work. Okay, again, thank you. This is Terry from Mr. Locksmith.